Hello everyone. I know I haven't really posted a single video in the last few months, but today this video is about Fetch API and how you can uh, import data from the API using the Fetch API. It is the built-in JavaScript API method. It is invented in a few years back, like 2015. It was introduced by the JS community. Before that, it was imported as a Node API function. So people were handling things with the XML request, like XML HTTP request. It is called XHR, and later on, people used to use it very often. So it got popularized among the developers, and since then it was named as Ajax. Now you know what is Ajax. It was not at all so much convenient and friendly. That's why Fetch API was introduced by them. Now let's get into the code base and learn things out. Okay, so the Fetch API is the built-in API in JavaScript which is used to return the data from the API. Okay, so now if you wanna do the Fetch API, if you wanna use the Fetch API, then you have to make a JavaScript file. Here we have to use the function called fetch. Okay, fetch has two properties. One is for URL and the other one optional property. Optional property can be used to request any kind of method like post request, get request, anything. But for now, let's keep it. Here in the URL, we will be using a JSON placeholder. Okay, JSON placeholder is a fake API. It is used to test things out. Here we have the post data. It is from the demo data users. So let's copy the URL and paste it over here. Now we have this URL. Let's console log it first to see what it returns. Okay, if we want to run this thing, we have to run this command npm init. It is going to initialize the package.this, package name fetch API. Okay, version 1, description not needed, entry point index.js, this command not needed, git repository not needed, keywords not needed, author maybe Debmalya Sen, license. Okay, done. Package.json is here. Now we have to make a script. Script is for running the file. Script name will be dev. You can run it, you can name it anything you want, but the traditional approach is using the dev. Now we have to put the node keyword before it, index.js file name. Okay, comma, control S, save. Now control S and run it. npm run dev. It's returning a promise. Okay, so now promise consists of the catch property. Catch is used to catch the error. Okay, so now we have to first resolve this thing. It is going to give us a response. Response will be in JSON format. That's why we'll be using JSON. Now after that, then another time to return the value. First one is for the response, and the second one will be for the value, returning the value. Okay, maybe data, you can name it anything, console.log data. Okay, done. Now rerun it. Okay, so it is going to give us an error because once we are doing the console log thing, it is going to say that, hey, we are using it for once, let's not do this once again. So now I have to delete this console.log, because every time you do the console log thing, the fetch API is going to take it as the running time 1. You are using it for the once, and now you cannot use it for the second time. So we run it. Now we are having all the data. Okay, maximum it will be 100, user ID 10, body, title, everything we will getting, everything I am getting over here. Okay, so now you can change it for the ID 1 also by giving the slash and 1, control S, npm run this. It is showing the ID for the 1, title, body, everything. Okay, now you can change it in this way also, like initializing a variable and putting the data into it. Like for the ID, variable name will be ID and the value will be 1, and another variable will be tabs, because it is now in post. We can change it later into anything like albums, users. So now do it post. Okay, so now tabs and $sign curly braces ID. Okay, so because we are using the $sign and the curly braces, now we have to put the backticks over here instead of inverted commas. Okay, why? Because we are using the JavaScript variable names in the string. For this, we have to put the backticks, not inverted commas. Okay, so now it will show us the same thing, but in different way. See, we are getting the same data, but in different way, in different code. So now let's change it to users. Run it. You are getting the users data here. You can see everything. Wait, this is the whole user data: ID, name, username, email, address, street, city, suit, zip code, geolocations, phone number, website, company name, catchphrase, BS, everything. Okay, this way we can get the data from the API. Now, since it is the promise based approach, we can do the catch thing to catch the error. If it is going to show us any error or not, we can find it this way: error, arrow function, error, console.log, error. Okay, it is showing no error because we are doing the right thing. Okay, so now we can use the optional property also. Here we can do one thing. To do the optional property, we can define the method. Method will be called post method. Okay, after that, header. Okay, so the content type will be content type will be in application JSON. Okay, after that, will be putting the body. Body will return the username, user one. Okay. Now, because it's in JSON format, so we have to put the JSON.stringify to make it string. Okay, so here we have to change the URL. Tabs done. Tabs maybe do it in to dos. It will be with less body contents. User ID 1, title maybe fix my bugs, completed, status will be false. This way, when it is defined, everything is defined. Now let's run it and see what it returns. Okay, so now it's returning the data I am sending to the server. Okay, this way we can post the post request. Method is, what is the method? Post is the method. We are posting data to the server. Okay, header will be the content type of the application JSON. Okay, you can add many headers. After that, body content will be in this way. User ID, title, completed. Why? Because to those has these properties: user ID not needed, title completed. Okay, that's why you have to put these things. Okay, this is how you handle the fetch API things. This is the complete syntax. In the next video, we will discuss about these things in the more detailed way, how we can make a small project out of it. Okay, so I'm very excited to share with you my first programming video in this channel. I literally didn't have any idea like what should I do as my first video in this channel. Like I was so nervous to show this video. For the first time I'm shooting a programming related video in this channel. uh, Today I'm just posting this video about fetch API, and let me know about where should I improve, where should I do these things in a better way. What can I improve in my videos, what can I improve in my code. Let's build a good community here. I'm very excited to make more videos like this. So like it, share it, comment your where you felt like it was missing something, where you felt like it was good. Maybe give me some feedbacks out. It will help me to improve videos in this channel in the future. So keep then keep coding, keep working hard in your life, and do your own stuff. Goodbye, see you in the next one. Bye bye.